Heard a hiss and a grind, rode under that cab. What'd I find? Paths worn down, road was running hot. If I roll like this, I'll lose all I got. I got those brake check blues, they hum like a song. Still screaming, something's gone wrong. Don't skip inspection, don't play around, or you'll find yourself citation bound. Drums got a wobble, lines start to seep, air bleeding slow, a man to make you weep. Slack adjuster's lazy, ain't pulling his weight. Best fix it now, for it's way too late. I got those brake check blues, they hum like a song. Still screaming, something's gone wrong. Don't skip inspection, don't play around, or you might find yourself coming unwound. You can polish the chrome, you can shine them stacks, but that don't mean a thing if you can't make tracks. DOT man smiling, clipboard in hand. What he done found gonna cost several grand. So grease what you can, talk what you must, 'cause on this old highway it's inspector bust. I got those brake check blues, they keep me in line. I'd rather roll slow than pay that hefty fine, 'cause the weight of regret's too heavy to tow. So do your brake check, brother, before you go.